We are making a delicious pasta recipe today, broccoli and walnut pasta. First off, I'm going to start with cooking the broccoli. I'm adding some salt and broccoli to my boiling water. And now I transfer the broccoli into my blender here and I'll cook the pasta in the same pot. Now I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic in here and I'm going to add up about a cup of the boiling water. And now I'm going to add in some olive oil while continuously whisking. And I'm adding about a cup of mint. I'm transferring the sauce into a big bowl. I'm adding the zest of 1 lemon and some lemon juice. And now I'm adding a generous amount of Parmesan cheese, giving everything a stir and transferring to my plate here. And now it's time for the walnuts. I'm simply going to crush them with my hands and get them in here. And now I'm garnishing this with some fresh mint leaves. You can put in some red pepper flakes if that's what you like, and it's ready. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.